Ocean Citizen is the opportunity to make cooperation a reality. Cooperation is not only a beautiful idea, but is the only way, we understand is the only way forward in front of climate change. And we need to make, to break the boundaries, the frontiers between the silos of knowledge, to make individuals and scientists and thinkers come together as to define better decisions, better technologies, better approaches into regeneration, into the very needed regeneration. For underwater gardens, it is the dream come true. In a way, the possibility to have the best of the best working together towards a solution that may be one of the toolbox for climate change adaptation. It is, from the point of view of underwater gardens, it is also the playground for the development of technology. We have been able to put together technologies that were separated in space all over the world, and to manage to develop an intelligent software, an expert software, to put together all of this knowledge and to help us guide us into specific designs for regeneration. These specific designs are then a solution because they can adapt to any specific location in the world. The scientific protocol that Ocean Citizen is presenting and representing is, we believe, the future that redefines our relationship with Mother Nature.